Hello, as you can see on your screen, we're looking at May-June paper 2017, the Creative Mathematics paper 2. And we then look at CSEC Math paper June 2018. So you see that we are dealing with the authentic stuff here, and then in 2019, and so on. So why am I showing you all this? So that you can know all the papers have the same instructions. Now, these are things that you need to know. Arc of a length, circumference, volume of cylinder, volume of prism, area of a circle, and so on. So how do you get all that stuff into your brain? Well, the trick is you can use flashcards. Yes, flashcards. In the subsequent videos now, we'll look at each problem that came in each paper. Section 1, you see that there, using a calculator or otherwise calculate the exact value of that. That's in paper page exam 2017. In 2018, let's see what they have. That came in 2018, and in 2019, what came in 2019? This came in 2019.